Hi friends, joining us for our Australia camp. Today I want to make a bird mask with you since we were learning all about the birds of Australia. And it's really simple. All you'll need is a paper plate, crayons or markers, some tape and scissors, and either a craft stick to hold up your mask when it's done, or I guess you could use a pencil, a chopstick, really anything just to hold your mask with. So what I'll do is I'm going to use this paper plate to make the mask, the feathers, the beak, everything. I'll show you how you do it. So what you'll start off doing is folding the paper plate in half and cutting it in half right along that line. And I'll use one half, I'll show you in a second, as the base of my mask, and then the other to cut up to make the decorations. So this is going to be the mask, and in the end, we'll tape our stick on, and I'll show you how to do it. So a grown-up might have to help with this part, which is cutting out the holes for the eyes in the mask. So I'm going to do it and a grown-up will definitely have to help with this part because it involves using scissors to poke holes in something. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and cut out the holes for eyes. And I kind of want to make them big so that I don't have any problem seeing through my mask. Now start thinking about what color you want your mask to be. I think I'm going to make mine multicolored, maybe like a rainbow, because some of the birds that are in Australia showed you in some of the pictures in class are so colorful. So I've got my mask all ready. Now what I'm going to do is use this half to kind of cut out the feathers, which I'm going to tape along the top, and to cut out a beak to tape on my mask. It's so fun, and there's no right way to do this. Now, the reason I'm saying to use paper for the feathers, what I'm doing is just kind of cutting out some triangle shapes, is because many of you might not have craft feathers at home like we do at school. So I just cut out 2 triangles, which I think I'm going to decorate and then tape on. Oh yeah, just like that. So I'll have lots of pretend feathers poking out of my mask. And I'm just going to kind of keep doing that. I'm going to keep just cutting out shapes out of my paper. So let's see. I think I'll just do 3 for now. So with paper you have, you also want to cut out a triangle shape, which is going to be the beak, because they're always kind of, well, not always pointy, I guess, but the birds we're going to look at have pointy beaks. Yeah, that looks about right. So I'll put all the scraps aside that I'm not going to use. And now I'm going to decorate my mask before I start taping on the beak and the feathers and all of that fun stuff. So like I said before, I'm going to make mine a rainbow bird. You can decorate yours really however you want. I definitely want some bright colors on mine. I want mine to feel kind of like a rainforest bird maybe. Or not even a rainforest bird, just some kind of a colorful bird. Maybe I'll do some purple. So I'm not gonna spend too much time decorating because I don't want to take up the whole time with that. But I'll just do a little bit of decorating so you can kind of see, ooh, how my colorful mask is turning out. I definitely want to color the feathers that I cut out because those are going to be sticking out right on top, and I really want those to pop. So I'm going to make one orange, I'm going to make one pink, and I'm going to make another, let's see, maybe green. And then I'm going to make my beak yellow. So I've got all of my pieces all colored and decorated now, and now I'm going to tape them onto my mask, and then it'll be ready to wear once we attach our stick. Oh, there's my tape. So I've got some white masking tape that I'm just going to rip off a big piece, and then using that, and I kind of stick it on the edge of my table until I'm ready to use it. I'm going to rip off a few smaller pieces. It's a little trick I learned. The tape that you want to get ready but not use yet, you just stick it right on the edge of the table and it is ready to use. So I'm going to tape my feathers on the back of my mask now. I'll tape this one right. Oh, look, sticking right up top. I'm going to take my pink one next and tape this one on too. And then I'll tape my green one on. Let's see. Oh yeah, want it right on this side. Oh my goodness, friends. Look at how pretty it's looking so far. And then of course, my beak. And you know what I might do with that is, maybe I'll tape it right there. And then maybe I'll add some more yellow on top just to give it more of a pop. Look at how it looks. It looks so cool right now. So now all I need to do is tape my craft stick on the back. And you could do it in the middle, but I kind of think I'm going to tape it on the edge so that I can hold it up to my face like that. And I'll probably need another piece of tape. So I'm going to rip one more piece of tape off. And tape this to the back of my mask. And then I can't wait to show you what it looks like. Here's my bird mask. I think it looks so fun. I might add some more color after I end the video. I don't know. But this is a fun project you can do. And maybe after you do this, you can wear it to second meeting and we can show each other our bird masks. All right, I hope you have fun doing this project.